cookies start to rise. With every dish she makes, you see the sparkle in her eyes. In the kitchen, Dinah's cooking up a storm. In the kitchen, that's where magic takes its form. In the kitchen, flavors dance and swirl around. In the kitchen, it's the best place to be found. From dawn till dusk, she's mixing, she's tossing and she's stirring. Smells so good, you'll taste it in your dreams and keep recurring. She's a culinary goddess with a touch that feels like love.